What if I told you could hit your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and even if you are starting with zero experience? Sound is possible, right? But here's the truth. Every single day, brand new channels are blowing up using a simple system that most beginners completely ignore. And today, I'm going to break down the exact system step by step. But stay with me, because near the end of this video, I will show you a hidden growth trick that can literally double your views overnight. Welcome to Chris Tech Lab, where I'll help you for mastering YouTube growth, tech skills, and digital success. If you want to grow faster on YouTube without wasting time, make sure you subscribe because I break down what actually works, not just a theory. Now, let us dive into the real strategy. First, let us see the biggest mistake beginners make. Before you try to grow, you need to fix this, or your channel will stay invisible forever. Most beginners believe YouTube works like this: upload video, get views, and grow fast. But in reality, it works like this: upload video, YouTube tests it, audience reacts, then it grows. Here's the problem. Most beginner videos fail at the testing phase. Why? Because they ignore the 3 pillars of growth. First is click or CTR. If nobody clicks your video, YouTube stops promoting it. Second pillar is watch time. If people click but leave here, YouTube assumes your content is bad and end up not recommending your video to more audience. Third pillar is retention. If viewers don't stay engaged, your video dies quickly. Here is the real mistake. Beginners focus on uploading more, copying random trends, and hoping for lucky, instead of focusing on making strategic and high retention content. Understand that one high quality video can outperform 50 bad videos. That is why your goal is not to upload more, it is to upload smart. Now let us see how to pick the right content strategy. If you choose the wrong type of content, growth becomes almost possible. Let us break down the free YouTube traffic sources. The first traffic source is search content. This is when people actively search how to edit videos, how to grow on YouTube. This video brings consistent traffic over time. It works because you are solving a direct problem, audience intent is high, and there is less competition for beginners. Second, suggested content. These appear next to viral videos. Harder for beginners because you need strong watch time and you compete with big creators. Third is browse content or homepage. This is where videos go viral. But here's the truth: you want to get there until YouTube trusts your content first. Here is the strategy for beginners. Start with 70% search content and 30% short content. Example: how to get subscribers fast, how to edit videos on phone, and YouTube SEO for beginners. Here is the mistake you must avoid. Don't create random videos. Stick to one niche. This helps you to understand who to show your content to. Now let us see how to find viral video ideas. Stop thinking about ideas, start using data. Most beginners fail because they create what they like instead of what people are searching for. Here is the steps for finding the viral video ideas. Step number 1. Use a YouTube search. Type how to grow on YouTube or YouTube tips. These are real searches. Second step, analyze competitors. Find small channels with between 1,000 and 50,000 subscribers and with high views, like 10,000 plus views. This means the topic is working, not just the creator. Step number 3, use tools. You must use tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy to check search volume, competition score, and trending keywords. Step number 4 is to improve the idea. Don't copy someone's idea, but upgrade the idea. Use better title, better thumbnail, and better explanation. Here is the pro tip: winning idea is proven topic and better execution. Now let us see how you can create videos without showing your face. Your face is optional, but your value is not. Faceless content is one of the fastest growing styles on YouTube. Here is the content style you can use. First, screen recording for tutorials. Second, slideshows with animations. Third, stock videos plus voiceover. And fourth, text-based storytelling. You must use tools like CapCut and Canva. Here is the voice strategy. You must use your voice best for trust, or use AI voice if needed. Here is the pro tip. Clarity beats quality. A simple video that explains clearly will outperform a fast video with no value. Here is the mistake to avoid. Don't rely only on visuals. Your explanation must be simple, clear, and step by step. Now let us see how to edit like a pro. Editing is not about making videos pretty. It is about keeping attention. Your goal must be to eliminate boredom. Here is the editing system. First, remove silence and mistakes. Second, add subtitles, which is very important. Third, use zoom ins to emphasize points. Fourth, add sounds effects. And fifth, add background music. Here is the rotational trick. Every free up to 5 seconds, change something on screen. This resets attention. Here is the pro editing psychology. Your video should feel fast, clear, engaging. If it feels slow, people leave. Now let us see how you can master thumbnails and titles. Your video doesn't compete on quality, it competes on attention. Here's the thumbnail rules. Free up to 5 words maximum. Big bold text, high contrast, and one clear idea. Use Canva to create professional thumbnail. A good title must have curiosity and benefit. Example, 0 to 1,000 subscribers fast. Nobody talks about this YouTube trick. Now let us see the secret to go viral. This is the difference between 10 views and 1,000 views. YouTube algorithm focus on click-through rate, average view duration, and audience retention. Here's the viral strategy. First, use a strong hook for the first 10 seconds. Second, avoid the boring intro. Third, deliver value fast. And fourth, keep curiosity high. Here's the advised tip. Create open loops. Example, I will show you something important later. This keeps viewer watching. Now you have the exact blueprint to grow your first 1,000 subscribers fast. Even if you are starting from zero, but remember, information alone doesn't grow your channel. Execution does. So take action. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and start applying this today. And if you want to grow even fast, watch the next video on your screen, where I show you how to create viral YouTube shorts step by step. I will see you in the next video.